Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to send high quality videos via QuickShare. So QuickShare now supports high quality video transfers. So no more compression and pixelated clips when sharing with friends or family. So it's Samsung's answer to Apple's AirDrop, and it just keeps getting better. So to send high quality videos via QuickShare, you want to first go ahead and open up Gallery, tap on Menu, and then tap on Videos. And here we'll go ahead and send a video, for example, this one here. So I want to send this in high quality. So to do this, I'll go ahead and tap on Share. Then I'll tap on Quick Share. Now from here, I can go ahead and share the QR code or link. Copy this link, and I can go ahead and send it to anyone. So this basically shares high quality video or photo with whoever has that link or the QR code. So the video or the photo is not compressed and it's in high quality. So you can now share full 4K quality videos instantly between Galaxy devices without losing quality. And if that user is an iPhone user, you can go ahead and share this QR code or a link. He or she will be able to download it to their phone. So this is perfect for content creators, vloggers, or anyone who values crystal clear memories on the Samsung Galaxy device. So there you go, guys. That is how to send high quality videos via QuickShare on your Samsung Galaxy device.